Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a video. I know life got crazy and I got super busy at home because we're going to a soccer tournament in about a month, and then we're doing fundraiser for it for my son, and then we're making a lot of tortilla and bread and things like that, so we're just busy. But welcome back to my channel, Homeschooling Paradise, and welcome if you're new. So my name is Magli. I have a 4 and a 6 years old and we live in Hawaii. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this Play Smart Brain Booster. So this is from Timberdoodle. I'm part of the blog team. They sent me this to check it out. So it says 3+. My daughter just turned 5, so this is a little bit easy for her, but she loves it. Honestly, it's really, really great. It has so many different activities, sorry for the glare, to do. And it has a puzzle game, drawing project, number games. So it has stickers at the beginning, so you're going to be able to use all these. These one are for each page that they complete. They're going to have a little sticker on top. And then there's a second page to use. So we've started using it. So like I said, this is pretty easy for my daughter, but she enjoys all of the book from that type of thing. So you just trace, and then you're going to be able to trace again, draw a line, finding each animal. Number 3, so draw, I mean, it says color the same number at the bottom, but she just did some pictures at the bottom, so you can see this. So they're gonna review all the animals and the numbers, and then there's a little puzzle. And then let's see the like tracing again, and I want to see the puzzle, not the puzzle, the stickers. So again, finding and then drawings. That was her drawing, really basic. This one she really liked doing the butterfly. And oh, there we go. So we have the little bow here, and then the next one, the mustache. So these are the little stickers that they got from the beginning. So she is until here. So it has a lot of different activities. Puzzle. This one is going to be cutting here and then folding it. And then more cutting and folding, more stickers. So overall, they're really great if you're looking for something for your preschool to keep them busy when you're maybe you have one kid, or if you have older kids. This keeps them busy during the time that you're doing work for the older ones. So I really enjoyed. So I'm gonna put the link below for Timberdoodle this if you're looking to get it. And then until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.